Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we have another haul. Well, this one may not be as exciting as the last one. It kind of is because we ate through everything in the house. We didn't even have an egg or an oil or an anything. And so I set a budget of $300 and I only spent $178.65. Let's see what I got. All right, so my kitchen isn't 100% clean, but I wanted to show you the items that I picked up. I picked up these Carb Balance. They're very good and very soft. You can make cheese pizzas on these. You can make cheese quesadillas, all kinds of things. You can make it a salad wrap, anything. I got 18 eggs because I want to start boiling some like I did last time, but I boiled 6 and I ate through them and then we didn't have enough for frying and whatever. Then I bought some celery sticks, some Activia yogurt, small curd, low fat cottage or fat-free cottage cheese, Southern butter pecan coffee creamer, carrots, pickles, dill pickles, some bubbly for when I want a soda. It's just bubbly water with strawberry flavor, some actual strawberries, oat nut bread. Can you tell I'm back on my health kick? Mild taco seasoning, Carb Advantage, nacho cheese, very good. Very healthy. Cheese to make homemade mac and cheese, sharp cheddar and Colby Jack, provolone, peanut butter protein granola for yogurts, for whatever. Petite diced tomatoes for, I always put that into my meat when I make my tacos. Cream cheese, some Triscuits instead of chips. Tangelos or whatever they're called, instead of cookies. When I want something sweet, I eat a couple of those and it helps. Son has not done the dishes. Antacids. This is light buttermilk ranch, sweet brown sugar for like barbecue chicken, things like that, some olive oil mayo, some mustard, 5 pounds of frozen boneless, skinless chicken breasts, brioche style buns, 1 head of romaine lettuce, broccoli head, cucumber, some milk, some Italian style meatballs, fettuccine. Underneath of there is regular thin spaghetti, some whipped butter because I just can't bring margarine in this house anymore, pulled pork. We're getting a little unhealthy, but whatever. Light sour cream, extra virgin olive oil in glass, dark, like it should be. That was like 15 bucks. Some Hunt's roasted garlic sauce to make meatballs and spaghetti. Some egg roll wraps. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with that, but I know that I can just take things like different meats and things and wrap them up in there and bake them up. I don't know. I've got to look that up. And then a pound of hamburger bacon, thick cut. Turkey cheddar sausages, trying that for the first time. Deep dish pizza, goes good with popcorn. A pound of ground turkey and some thinly sliced center cut pork chops and bananas. And that is what I got for $187. I still have some money left in my budget, so I will probably put these away, head over to Food Lion, and see what they have for meats on sale that I can pick up a few more. And I'm also looking for sweet potatoes, sweet potato fries, things like that. All right, before I go to the other store, it's 2:30, I want to put on some dinner for tonight. And I'm going to make spaghetti and meatballs, but I'm going to do it in the crock pot because I don't feel like doing it the other way. Alright, so I'm just going to put the meatballs and the sauce down in this, cook it on low for a few hours. Just let it do its thing. I'm just going to put it on low for about 4 hours. What? Hold on. Don't tell me my favorite crock pot just died. It's plugged in low. Okay. And to make sure that they all get a piece of that sauce, I could probably put all of them in there. Just make a big bulk batch. And then portion it out, freeze it, and when we want some, I think I'll do that. can just grab another can of sauce at the store. Grab a smaller one. All right. So we're going to let those cook for a couple hours. I'm going to run to the other store, get a few items that I still need, come back, I'll give you that haul, and then we'll finish up the spaghetti in just a little while. Alright, so here's my small haul from Food Lion. I was able to find these. They were on closeout for like $4 something. I got these to go with the spaghetti tonight. Couldn't help myself. I'm going to put another half of can of this into the crock pot with the others and then just freeze the other half. Got some creamy peanut butter. I noticed we were out. Lots of mozzarella to bake on top of the spaghetti and meatballs. Want to start making my protein ice cream in my Ninja Creamy. These were $1, so I picked them up. I figured my son would enjoy these as a snack. So I got that one, that one, that one. I got 2 New York strip for less than $25. Duke, no bark. Thought that was a good idea. And I was supposed to get whole wheat spaghetti. I'm supposed to be eating wheat pasta, not regular pasta. So I'm going to take this and mix it in with my regular pasta in my pasta holder. Duke, no bark. No, sir. That way we're halfway healthy. That's so fantastic. There we go. And then I got some sweet potato souffle, sweet potato crisps, in case I have a salty craving or want some chips. And the last thing I got was a bag of dog food, which was $19.99, and you get to have some pork and some boar and some sweet potato, and yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up or hype it. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.